Hello, everyone. So, welcome again. I just wanted to touch on base on a couple of things to conclude our overview of the syllabus. And now, as we begin weeks 1 and 2, and just to go over some of what the readings and the expectations of the course. Again, what I wanted to do is, and as we're doing it online, it becomes a bit more challenging. But I really want you all to engage the readings and these chapters coming from a textbook. But it's there's a little more complexity than your traditional American government textbook. As you know, in Chapter 1, the three foundations of American government are laid out, and the ideologies, the philosophies that really ground the institutional structures that are very evident in our society today. And those are classical liberalism, classical republicanism, and the third strand, again, that I mentioned, and your textbook mentions, it's not mentioned in many other textbooks. The reason why I selected this one is that tradition of excluding large segments of the population in egalitarianism. So the opposite of moving towards an egalitarian society. And that's kind of the foundation of the United States. And that's what we're really dealing with. And a lot of the issues that we're dealing with today are not so far gone. They're very present. So I also want us to read, and you're going to be responding in your post next week to, I know the Thomas Jefferson's excerpt on Notes on Virginia are listed under week 3, but you'll be responding to that under the post for week 2. And revisit the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution. Really want to really reaffirm how your views and your understanding more of these documents and how to make sense of them a little bit more complex, with a little more complex understanding of the individuals that wrote these documents and how they've structured our society today. So that will be it today. I hope you move through. If you're having any issues with the course content, the structure of the assignments, again, let me know. I welcome any feedback to try to improve the experience here online and make it more accessible to all. As I mentioned in my previous email last night, I'm really trying to get the closed caption situation settled. I have people working on that for me right now. But if you're having issues on your end with Canvas, you have the 800 number there. It's 24/7. They will help you on any issue there, technical difficulties you may be having. Okay, have a good day.